Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today's problem set is longest substring without repeating characters. So basically in the input we are given a string, and in the output we need to return an integer that signifies that the longest substring without repeating characters. So substring is a part of a string, a small part of a string or the whole string. So we need to return in this problem a substring which have all the unique characters. So the one approach I can think of it now is using two pointers. Uh, those are initially at the 0th index and freezing the one pointer and running the second pointer till the point we encounter the repeating character. Suppose I and j are at 0th index, that is a, and I move j to 1, 2, and here it frees. So I encounter a substring of length 3 of unique characters. Now I increase I pointer, and now I will start j from the first index, that is b. Now I will count till b is repeated or any of the character in the string in the substring is repeated. So 1, 2, and 3. So here we got the three three length of a substring, right? So let's approach this problem. So we're gonna maintain a max count that would be initially 0, and we need to iterate through the string len of string. Okay, that is s, right? And also we need to iterate from range I comma len of s. In between of these we will be maintaining the occurrence of the characters in a dictionary, right? So it would be like val equals to s of j, right? If val in dictionary means the value is already in my dictionary, right? So what I will do, okay, we'll also maintain a count variable. We'll also maintain a count variable. So here what I will do, I will just calculate max count equals to, or I don't need it, I just break the loop here. I will break the loop here, else I will, okay, I need to store the max count is equal to max of max count comma count, right? Perfect. And count will be 0 after that. Count would be 0. Break, right? Yeah. So in this part what we'll do, we'll increase the count, and also we'll store it in the dictionary, right? Now I think it's perfect. And we'll also see max count equals to max of count comma max count, right? Now we're gonna return the max count, return max count. Let's run this code. I think everything is fine. Yes, let's submit it. Yes, the answer got accepted. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned through it. This was a really easy problem, but a really insightful problem. We got a brief intro about the strings, hash map, and all these things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.